Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on ChatGPT app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.